The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, has hit the headlines with groundbreaking advances that are enabling data analysis, pattern recognition, robotic automation, and perceptual awareness. With a growing number of possible uses that are taking this technology beyond the computer screen and into the wider world, AI-enabled applications will require secure connections that can deliver high performance in demanding environments. But how is AI already making a difference in real-life industry applications? And why is connectivity so key to its success? Stay tuned to learn more about AI in the real world. Hi, I'm David Pike, known as the Connector Geek, and today we're discussing how AI, machine learning and machine vision capabilities are transforming efficiencies across some promising real-world applications. We'll also discover how Molex solutions are enabling these next-generation AI tech examples. AI offers many opportunities across a range of industries, making it an invaluable tool in the manufacturing, agricultural, automotive and medical sectors. One of the most interesting areas of AI development is in machine vision. Machine vision is the name given to systems that see the environment around them. Images are captured using digital cameras, which are then analysed by computers, allowing activities to be automated. Some of the most common uses of machine vision are in manufacturing, where vision systems have replaced manual inspection to improve quality control on the production line. But machine vision has found other applications in the industrial world. Robots have been a staple on the factory floor for many years, but the latest generation of industrial robots are using smart vision systems to perceive the environment in 3 dimensions. Autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, can navigate around the factory floor and interact with human workers safely. They use vision systems which can learn how to identify and avoid hazards. The growing global population, coupled with challenges created by the changing environment, means that the agricultural sector has been quick to embrace new solutions that will increase productivity. Smart vision systems, coupled with the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, will be able to analyse the state of growing crops and allocate the most economical use of resources. The modern surgical robot has evolved into a complex autonomous device that can enhance the skills of the surgeon, allowing them to deliver care that is minimally invasive, which leads to faster recovery times for patients. Accurate visualization is essential for these procedures, and AI will enable medical robots to adapt to and treat each patient's unique physiology. As we move towards driverless vehicles, AI systems will form a critical element in keeping road users safe. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are already providing the user with sophisticated solutions for road safety. Interaction with other drivers will depend upon systems that can collect, analyse and act upon information about their surroundings with the lowest possible delay or latency. The use of AI vision systems will allow autonomous vehicles to identify even more road hazards. These diverse applications will see artificial intelligence deployed into the field. The connectors that are essential for these systems to operate will need to be protected from challenging conditions, whether on the factory floor or mounted to the latest vehicle. At the same time, they must provide the high-speed, secure communications that allows AI to reach its full potential. Molex has a wide range of connector solutions that are ideal for the latest AI applications, combining superior data speeds and power capabilities with reliability and robust design. With decades of engineering expertise across all major industries, Molex and Arrow Electronics are delivering leading-edge connectivity solutions that help today's technology companies and design engineers drive continued innovation. Discover how Molex is making the connected world possible at arrow.com/manufacturers/Molex.